Hello everyone, welcome to Shinyjohnsonart. Today in this video I am painting a girl wearing Christmas hat and I am painting in watercolor. Here I am painting in a easy technique so beginners can try. So let's paint a Christmas girl today. So here in this video I have painted a Christmas girl and a Christmas tree, and here there's full of snow, so just painting snow, and here some splatters of white for snowy effect on the Christmas tree, and now tiny ornaments on Christmas tree. And now here I painted in a easy technique so beginners can try it. And now I am pretty much done with this painting of Christmas girl. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy painting.